Oh, hey everybody! Welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw chickens, okay? So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, chickens, we're gonna start with the big shapes, and we're gonna start with the body of the chicken first. So, let's come all the way up and down like this. It's kind of like a circle, but we wanna make sure that this line is ready to go up like that. Oops. I drew a line, but that's okay, that's what I wanted. We're gonna come up like that for the neck, and we're gonna come up on the other side like that, and we're gonna curve for the head, and we're gonna stop because we wanna give it a beak. Point out, back in, and then back over here for the neck. Perfect. Once we have that, let's give the chicken a wing. So it's a line with some jagged lines like that, and then back up. And then we move over to the tail. Just some rounded jagged lines like that. Now let's do some feet. It's just 2 straight lines, another 2 straight lines, and then in and out like that with curved lines. Perfect. I like to add some lines there. Now let's move up to the chicken's head and let's do the face details. Let's do some eyes, lines underneath, and then fill in the pupils looking to the side. Let's give our chicken some eyebrows. Let's give a smile on the beak, and let's add the top part of the chicken right here. Now to finish our chicken, we need some feather textures. So let's come in like this and just give a couple feathers around the body of the chicken. Perfect. And there we have a little chicken. You did such a good job following along. Now let's take a look at some real chickens. Chickens are a lot smarter than you think. They have profound memories and are able to distinguish between more than 100 individuals, including people. Chickens also make friends. Some bonds are so close that when a chicken dies, another might display signs of grief and mourning. And did you know chickens are the closest living relative to the Tyrannosaurus Rex? That's so cool! That was so fun learning about chickens, wasn't it? How about we draw one more chicken before you go? And we'll draw in Bubba style, okay? Here we go. We're gonna draw kind of a squatty head, but we're gonna stop to leave space for the beak. Just like that. And then how about we just finish the mouth while we're here? We'll give a little smile, and then we're gonna come down and finish that head shape. Now let's do the body of the chicken. Let's start from the back and come down like this round, and then up to the head. Perfect. Let's move to the top and finish off that shape at the top, and then give our chicken a line for the eyes and the curved lines underneath. I like to do my little lines under the eyes. Fill in the pupils. Perfect. Okay, now let's give this chicken a wing. Let's do a straight line here and some jagged lines, and then do a curved line back up. Let's move to the tail of our chicken, like that. And let's give our chicken some little legs. Like that. Now before our chicken is done, we have to give them some feather details. Feather details around the body, some other little texture details. And there we have another chicken. Wow. Good job. You did a really good job following along today. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye. If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!